Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reacting to Littlest Pet Shop Pitch Perfect. So guys, we won't be able to watch the whole thing because it's like 22 minutes. So I'll just break it up into part 1 and part 2. So let's get started. Let me turn up the volume. Okay.
Off to my audition. Wish me luck. Good luck, Zoe. I'm sure you'll nail your pitch perfect audition. Just don't get lost in those crazy hamster Abby tubes.
Hamster Abby tubes.
Darling.
You know, Blythe, for someone who's supposed to be watching us, you aren't exactly, you know, watching.
Is Sunil in a tube thing?
Oh, hey Russell. Sup?
Wait guys, in case my voice in case you can't hear my voice, I'm gonna turn down the volume just a little bit more.
Sup?
Sup? Blythe, you barely put that journal down since Speedy the tortoise gave it to you.
I don't know who
You're
Speedy
excited
is.
to learn all you can about your mom, but I think you're becoming obsessed with it.
Obsessed? Please. Obviously you don't know the meaning of the word. If you'll excuse me, it's been 10 seconds since I've looked at the journal.
Don't even know the meaning? Of course I do. Although, I wonder if it originates from the Greek or the Latin. To the dictionary!
They're in the pet shop, right?
There it is, the dictionary. Right under Mrs. Twombly's prize doorknob collection. What?
I wanted to see the doorknobs. Dang it. There's a theme song. I see Sunil. I'll probably get to learn all their voices without the singing.
We'll be right back with Discovery Family. Introducing the rock stars with Secret Slim.
Oh yeah guys, by the way, there might be commercials, so let me pause the video until I'm out of the commercial. Alright.
Discovery Family.
I see Zoe.
So, thank you all for coming to this here
Oh, she's
toy
British.
Pitch Perfect. As you know,
I just noticed. Zoe's the only dog.
and whatnot. I am Delilah. And this here
She's the name of
and Shyla.
Delilah.
Into Twyla. Oh, she had herself a litter of kittens. Surprise!
Cute.
That's why you're all here.
Wait, that's because they were there?
Soprano, you,
Oh yeah, Delilah's the name of my 5th grade classmate.
not to get braggy, but we didn't cross the ocean to lose our title. So, tick-tock, clock's ticking out. Russell, what happened?
Someone stole Mrs. Twombly's doorknob collection!
What the what?
Oh no! How would do such a thing?
Oh, what did I miss?
Oh, he was in a hamster ball?
Good. When Mrs. Twombly finds out her doorknob collection is gone, she's gonna freak. Those doorknobs are her most beloved possessions in the world. Which is why Mrs. Twombly can't find out what's happened.
What's happened, dearie? And who were you talking to?
Oh, I was talking to myself. I was saying that,
I'm concerned about you. Wow, you look tired. You should totally go take a nap. Oh, I'm way too excited to take a nap. In fact, I'm going out to pick up something for a big surprise.
I wonder what that is.
surprise? What is it?
Oh, I can't tell you. Don't you know know what surprise means? Oh, wait, I have a dictionary in my office. Surprise! An unexpected or astonishing event, fact, or thing. See? I knew you knew. Well, I've got a bus to catch. Be back in an hour.
Mrs. Twombly's funny.
We gotta find those doorknobs before she gets back.
Oh, that's impossible. We aren't professional doorknob finders. Are we?
Listen up, Pets.
Okay, he appeared out of nowhere.
Blister's gone AWOL. We need to establish a perimeter and do a hard target search of the premises.
Where to get the tie?
Forget the tie. Where to get the police tape?
Light, I'm gonna
That's what I want to
fix
know.
the reading material. You're now on dusting duty. The perp may try to unload the goods. You guys search the net. See if anyone's trying to move. But our thief might have gotten cold feet and dumped the knobs as he fled. Pepper, I'm gonna need you to check the dumpsters out back.
Aw, gross! Those things reek!
This is fun. Can I be your assistant?
Minka, this is a crime scene investigation, not a game! And I don't need an assistant.
Get no impertinent pets. Mrs. C ain't having a meltdown on my watch. No.
Sunil and Vinny crashed into each other like 3 times. Oh, he's tired. Wow,
Thanks for that, Fluffy. Is it?
it's terrible.
Some interesting notes. Okay, Zoe, you're up next.
No offense, but the rest of you can go home now. I haven't lost an audition since I booked my first pet food commercial. I can imagine what the life of a pet Capella star will be like.
This is a song. Ooh, I want to listen. I like it already. By the way, I don't know how to get rid of the captions. Not every star is in the sky. I want to try to sing with this. Everybody's trying to do the same thing, do the same thing. But something inside you is special in your heart. I'm on the stage, I sing something for your life. Your voice is singing, but not every star is in the sky. I'm reading the captions. You're real, always your side. A big show, you can blow their minds. Show them what you've got, and they'll keep coming back for more. Your voice is screaming, but not every star is in the sky.
Oh, sorry. Whoa, you were so into that. Sometimes you even sounded like us. So, what did you think of my audition?
Best we've heard from a dog.
Of course.
Like her accent.
We're going with Fluffy Bear.
Huh?
You said that I was the best.
For a dog. But Pitch Perfect is felines only. More of an alley cat Capella kind of thing.
Knew it.
Then why did you
Because there's no dogs there.
Because I forgot about you being a dog and everything, like. Sorry. Come on, girls. We got a mess of rehearsing to do.
Aww.
Okay, Pets. Mrs. Twombly's ETD is T-minus 32 minutes and counting. How's the internet search going?
Terrible.
Can't get a lead?
Can't do the search. I want to use Yeehaw, but these two prefer Lithium Seek, the least robust.
What are they even doing?
We like the screen colors.
Oh, you see what I'm working with here?
Ugh. Pick one and do the search!
Got my eyes on you. But that's what she's like.
Focus! We're supposed to be looking for. Oh, what's that?
Oh, a website of nothing but old pet food commercials.
Ha! What that horrible smell!
I have good news.
You found the doorknobs?
Yeah, but we do an excellent job separating recyclables from the regular trash. Yayers!
I'm gonna go to work.
It's Earth Day! I'm just kidding.
Whoa, Mom. You wore stripes to a leopard's party? You are one seriously rebellious fashion
She's
rebel.
supposed to dust.
Is that where I get it from?
Anything in your mom's journal about the time she shirked an important duty?
Of course not. Why would she? Oh, right, fingerprints. Won't happen again.
You bad. That looks like Zoe. Where's your dish? Sounds like it said Hardy. Wait, I reacted to that song, didn't I? I'm not gonna spoil it though. I thought I reacted to that. Except a little slower. Say party, not Hardy.
Party time pet food. It's purrrrfect.
Is that Zoe?
Mm-hmm. My first commercial, back when I actually nailed auditions. Unlike today.
You did not get it?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, me too. Hey, are you guys hungry? That commercial made me hungry. Ow!
I had the best audition, but that smug Delilah.
Looks like she's crying black. Wait,
I'm a
wait, I think that's her makeup.
Here, we don't want to eat right now. Did she ask about me? Answer the last question first. Ow!
Oh, so Sunil has a crush on Delilah, that a very little blonde-haired cat. How sad.
Ow! I mean, that is most unfair.
I really wanted to
Yes.
compete in the Alley Capella Championship.
Oh, it's too bad you don't have your own pet capella group.
Hang on. I think I got it. Look, there's only one possible thief. It's me. I'm the thief.
Gotcha. You're gonna do some serious time, Ferguson.
I must have misconnected the string.
Tell it to the judge.
Mika, if I was the thief, why would I try to find the thief?
To throw us off track.
Mika, I didn't do it.
You did it?
Poor Russell.
Well, that's a relief. I hate to think you turned to a life of crime.
Where did they get the pet clothes? Did Blythe make
Oh,
them?
this investigation is going nowhere.
Pitch Perfect, you're about to meet your match. Say hello to There's No Stopping Us. Meow.
Nope. Meow.
Note instead of no, and meow instead of now. I love it.
Clever and descriptive. Oh, okay.
But if there's one
Okay, that's
thing I
funny.
learned from this, it's never ignore a porcupine on a mission.
Why?
Or a hedgehog. I know it looks like I got sidetracked, but I totally didn't.
Just take her book away, Russell.
Okay, I totally did. But we still have plenty of time before Mrs. T gets back.
Actually, we don't. She's due back any minute now.
What? What are we gonna do?
Well, I'm gonna look for the prince myself while you buy me some time by stalling Mrs. Twomp.
Got it. You, Prince, me, Twombly.
And this time, don't get distracted.
I bet she will.
So, Zoe, what are we gonna sing?
Not every star is in the sky. I'll teach it to you on the way.
Can we sing something like Old MacDonald? Oh, I do a pretty mean Frere Jacques.
Oh, what about a holiday song? They're not just for the holidays, you know.
Stop! My group, my song. Besides, there's two hard rules in pet capella competitions.
Meh.
One, you can't sing the same song as anyone else. And two, no kid songs. Gotta stop, Mrs. Twombly. Gotta stop, Mrs. Twombly. Gotta stop. Why are all three of you wearing berets? Where is Not Stopping Us Meow?
We're competing in the Alley Capella Championship.
Yep.
There are pet a cappella groups? Certainly. We do have lives outside of the day camp, you know. Of course you do. It's like my mom always says in her journal. Life is like a bag of pet food.
Bye, Mrs. Twombly.
Right, sorry. Gotta go. Good luck. How am I supposed to stall Mrs. Twombly if I don't know where she is? Of course, the bus. At least I know where she's coming back to. All I have to do is wait.
By reading her book.
Welcome to the Downtown City Alley Capella Championships, where the big question on every pet's lips is, will Pitch Perfect hold on to their title?
I'm actually going to stop here because, guys, for part 2, we're going to do the rest of it. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time. Bye.